Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys some real mom life cleaning motivation today. This video was filmed in the evening, so this day my husband took the boys fishing, so it's just me and Lauren cleaning up after dinner. If you are new here, I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I upload cleaning motivation, organization, and home decor videos every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any new content. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for all of your support, and I appreciate you guys so much. And also, don't forget to like this video because it really helps out my channel. So Lauren is 1 year old and she loves to dance and she loves to sing. So I guess she wanted to show y'all her dance moves. As you can see, I did just clean this area up and she is already over here trying to tear it back up. I don't wanna fall back down, 'cause I already touched the ground. Someone please hear me. Oh, here we go. So I just wanted to let y'all know that I am so over this broom. Like I honestly, I just bought this broom not too long ago. Like I haven't even had it for a few months and it's already flimsy and just, I hate it, and I would not recommend this broom to anyone. I think the brand is Clorox, and that should tell you something right there. I didn't even know Clorox sold brooms. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever. So if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to like this video. Also, follow me over on Instagram. I upload a lot of content on there too, and I would love to connect with you guys over there because I am on there majority of the time. Feel the same. I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. Light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh, we see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. Closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. Lately, I've been having the hardest time finding any of the cleaning supplies that I like. All of my favorites are always sold out. I don't know. So right now I'm using the DIY cleaner that I make. I love my DIY cleaner, but sometimes I like to use other products. I thought I'd never want mom life is real, and y'all have to excuse how this floor looks because I forgot to sweep after lunch. So just excuse the floor. That's why we are cleaning now.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you.
In my last video, I mentioned that Lauren likes to climb on stuff. Look at her. Lauren is crazy, y'all.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me.
So before I tackle the kitchen, I'm going to go and give Lauren a bath. And hopefully after the bath, she will go to bed. Let's see.
Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you.
So of course, here I am trying to make sure Lauren is sleeping so I can take care of this kitchen. But y'all already know she is not going to sleep anytime soon. I clean the kitchen, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Ryan Michelle. I am a military wife. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4, ages 13, 6, 4, and 1. I am originally from Georgia, but I'm currently living in Virginia. Let me know in the comments section where you are from. Yeah, I told y'all Miss Lauren was not going to sleep anytime soon. you are up and cleaning with me right now, leave me some brooms in the comment section. Even if you aren't cleaning, but my video is motivating you to clean, you can still leave me some brooms.
I need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me? Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
After this clip, my battery on my camera did die, so I had to record from my phone. So that's why the quality changes just a little bit.
I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
Lauren finally went to sleep and I was able to mop my floors. I'm so happy I got to do that. And this is the end of the video, guys. I thank you so much for watching. If you are still here, leave me some pink hearts in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys back on Friday. Bye.
Change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you.